What's up, guys? Today we're going to learn Bad Habits by Ed Sheeran. The song was released about 30 minutes ago, and we've just watched it, just reacted to the video, tried out my first reaction video, and now here's the tutorial for it. So let's get right into it. We've got a few different parts to learn for the song, but it's just one chord progression going through the entire thing, so it shouldn't be too hard to get. But we do have a cool little riff that we can have in the start. Thank you to Guitar Pro for sponsoring this video. They've got a new app where you can follow along with songs with tabs below them so that you always know what you're playing, and you can check that out in the link in the description below this video. Alright, let's get into it. Okay, so first we're going to take a look at this main riff that's played in the intro and throughout all the verses. So it's going to sound like this. And in the actual song, it sounds like it's played on kind of a guitar mixed with a synth of some sort. But we're just going to play it on a guitar here because that's the instrument we play. So you're going to start off here. And I like to play this with first finger on the 7th fret of these two strings. And then that's the 2nd and the 3rd. And then your 3rd finger on the 4th string at the 9th fret. And you're going to do... And then you're going to slide down, and I'm going to use this shape. First finger, 5th fret of the 2nd string, 2nd finger, 6th fret of the 3rd string, and 3rd finger, 7th fret of the 4th string. And then you're going to do the exact same rhythm. So... Then you're going to slide down with that same shape. Slide down 2 frets and do the exact same thing as you just did 2 more times. Then put that all together. A little slower. So you can play that part for the intro and the verses, or you can also use the chords from the chorus that I'm going to show you next. So then moving into the chorus, our chords are going to be B minor, D, G, and A. And we're going to follow the same kind of rhythm that this whole song goes along. And so each of the section we kind of want to repeat that groove because that's kind of what drives the entire song. So I'm going to play something like this. So that's kind of the general groove we're kind of following on those 4 chords. And you can see there I was doing a very palm muted rhythm, and the chorus in the actual song is just a bass line, so we're going to mimic that with a very palm muted, subtle guitar rhythm so that it's not too overpowering. So all I'm doing right there is going between those few chords, and I'm kind of just listening for the same rhythm as this riff. And I'm kind of just replicating that with my strums. It doesn't matter exactly what you're doing, but as long as you kind of get the feel of that rhythm. So then a little slower, what I'm doing there is... And don't worry too much if you're playing the exact same thing as I am. That's not really important in a song like this. The actual song is just playing the bass line, so we're kind of just making up our own thing as we're going along in this version anyways. but the chords are right. So if you're playing these chords and you're playing a rhythm that kind of gives you the same kind of groove as the actual song, then it will sound good and it will fit over your singing or whatever you're trying to do with it. So you can play that part in the choruses, or you can play these same 4 chords throughout the entire song if that's all you're looking for. And you can just repeat that for the entire song if that's what you're into. You know what? No problem with that. But I usually like to change things up a bit in different sections of the song so that you get kind of that dynamic range and you get the same kind of musicality that Ed was going for when he wrote the song. So the one time in the song you can actually hear just the guitar as the background instrument is just after the bridge of the song, and that's about 3 minutes into the song. It's just after the bridge, and you can hear a subtle acoustic guitar pretty much just playing these chords. So listen to around the 3-minute mark of the actual song, and you'll be able to hear where this driving chord progression comes from that I'm playing throughout this entire song. But if you can play those parts, you can play this entire song. The interpretation's a little bit up to you because we are trying to play a not really acoustic guitar song on the acoustic guitar. This will work pretty nicely, so you can use this as a starting point and try it out and just learn those chords. And really when it comes down to it, if you can just play those 4 chords just as is, then you'll be able to follow along with this entire song. And with that, you can play the entire song. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit the thumbs up button. Let me know what you thought of this video in the comments below, and hit that subscribe button so that you get notified of all my newest videos. Thanks again to Guitar Pro for sponsoring this video. Make sure to check out their app in the link in the description below. It's new, it's really cool, so you can watch a full playthrough of the song and have the tabs below it. Link in the description below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.